If this video gets 10k views, I will give you guys a room tour. You know that feeling when your room starts looking like a storage unit instead of a room? It's 4 a.m. and I just woke up. I woke up around 2:30 or 3, but I was too lazy to get up, so I was just in my bed scrolling reels. But then I decided that this is not how I want to live my life. Something has to change. Hello everyone, this is Smriti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You all might know me as Bibliophile Half Blood if you are following me on Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, trust me, you are missing out on a lot. And yeah, make sure to subscribe on YouTube because I am actually going to be a lot more active here. So here are some random clips I filmed while decluttering and cleaning my messy little space and turning it something more like me. So yeah, here's my little journey to starting 2025 on a clean and fresh note. Bonus tip, watch this while cleaning your room and trust me, you'll enjoy it a lot. It's 5 a.m. now and I'm almost done with this section. So this is how my room currently looks like. Well, it was way worse. There's a lot of work left to do. Just have a look. It's so dark outside. और बहुत ठंड भी है आज. But we are not going to give up. We are going to fix this mess right now. So without wasting any time, let's go. Of course, I'm going to start with my bookshelf only. Like bookshelf से ही start करूँगी यार. सबसे पहले books ही है important. उसके बाद बाकी दुनिया जाए भाड़ में. बाकी चीज़ें तो होती रहेंगी organize. सबसे पहले start करूँगी book से. So I'm organizing my bookshelf. सबसे पहले. We are done with 3 sections now. I haven't arranged it by any genre or any particular author's name, by height or by color. मैंने कैसे भी arrange नहीं करा है. I've arranged it just the way I wanted it. So yeah, we are done with this section also. Now there are 2 more sections left. Let's go. Well, these are some of the books that I have read and loved, or some of the books that I actually want to read or has started but never finished. And these are the books that I know that I will never read, like never. Now we are back to cleaning our bookshelf. I am damn sure I have like more than 1,000 books. I think I should start doing monthly giveaways, you know. They shouldn't be like if you follow me or if you comment on this post. I think they should be like I should start giving books to my most loyal followers. I think I will do that. I will definitely do that. I'm actually on my periods right now and I feel like throwing up, you know, like I didn't eat anything the whole day and now I just feel like throwing up. But we are still not going to give up. बहुत हो गया, अब change तो करना ही पड़ेगा. I mean, I know that it's a lot of work, but I don't want my room to look like this only. Like I only show you guys this side of my room on social media, but I want you guys to see this side also. So we are going to get it done by today only. I don't want to delay this anymore. तो हम आज ही करेंगे सारा काम. We are almost done with our bookshelf. अभी मैंने यहाँ पे books नहीं लगाई हैं क्योंकि I think there are a lot of books here also. So first of all, we are just going to fix this situation over here. I always say that I don't have anything to wear. Like I don't have a lot of outfits. But if that is the case, then what is all this? I mean, इतने सारे कपड़े. I don't even remember buying all these clothes, you know. Like मैंने कब खरीदे ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे याद भी नहीं है. I don't even know like ये बास्केट क्यों है मेरे पर. इस बास्केट में है क्या. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा यूजलेस सामान रखा हुआ है मैंने. ये चूड़ियाँ जो मैं पहनती हूँ नहीं. I bought these cause you know at that time I was in my traditional girly era. Like I was embracing my desi side, so I bought this. But उसके बाद से मैंने ये एक ही बार पहनी होगी, एक या 2 बार. उसके बाद से मैंने इन्हें ऐसे ही फेंक दिया. And here are some journals that I have. I actually have like 5 or 6 journals for 2024 और उनमें से मैंने एक भी यूज़ नहीं करी है. I am so ashamed of myself right now. जितना मैं अपना रूम साफ़ करते जा रही हूँ मुझे उतना समझ आ रहा है कि मैं ओवर कंजप्शन का कितना बुरा शिकार बन चुकी हूँ। मतलब मेरे कमरे में इतनी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे पता भी नहीं है, मुझे याद भी नहीं है मैंने कब खरीदी थी। पर उस टाइम मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी थी वो चीज़ें, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैंने ये नहीं खरीदा ना तो मैं जी नहीं पाऊँगी, मैं मर जाऊँगी इनके बिना। पर अब मैं देख रही हूँ चीज़ों को, मुझे याद भी नहीं आ रहा कि मैंने वो खरीदी कब है। आई एम सो अशेम्ड ऑफ माई सेल्फ राइट नाउ। आई मीन इट्स नॉट इवन फनी। मैंने ये व्लॉग बनाना इसलिए शुरू करा था कि ताकि मैं आप लोगों को बता सकूं कि एक ये साइड भी है मेरी लाइफ की, मतलब सिर्फ एक एस्थेटिक साइड ही नहीं है, एक ये वाली साइड भी है। नाउ आई फील लाइक भाई ये हुआ कब, मतलब क्यों और कैसे, और मतलब क्या क्या है। लाइक आई कैन नॉट बिलीव दैट दिस इज माई लाइफ नाउ। So I have actually made a resolution. I have decided to make a new resolution for 2025. I am not going to buy any unnecessary stuff जब तक कि मुझे उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत ना हो। आई स्वेयर टू गॉड अब मैं कुछ भी नहीं खरीदने वाली फालतू का सामान। भाई मेरे पे बहुत ज़्यादा सामान है। Also, I could have worn something very aesthetic, like a very cute and cozy night suit kind of thing. But I decided against it because I actually wanted to show you guys that this is what I wear when I am not shooting anything. When I am inside my house or I am in my room. So this is how I live, and I actually wanted to show you guys this. I bought this thing because I actually wanted to, make a very cozy reading look. बट वो यहाँ पर है इतने टाइम से और मैंने कुछ भी नहीं करा है, उस पर सिर्फ मैं अपना सारा सामान फेंक देती हूँ। बट नाउ वी आर एक्चुअली गोइंग टू टर्न दिस इनटू अ कोजी रीडिंग नूक. I don't know when, but I'm damn sure that I'm going to turn it into a very cozy reading nook. Actually, it is also on my vision board for 2025. Yeah, I know you all are not going to believe that, but here's a picture of my vision board and here is my cozy reading nook. And now we are going to organize our study table. I bought this table for studying purpose only, but I only use it to keep my things and some very unnecessary things actually. And here we have my skincare and makeup organizer, but उसके अंदर भी फालतू का ही सामान है, वो skincare है जो I don't even use now. And all the things that I am throwing here na, these are my gifts. Like these were my gifts for my 21st birthday. And I haven't even opened them. What is wrong with me, bhai? What is wrong with me? He was like, I cannot take it anymore. बहुत काम करवा लिया आपने मुझसे आज. मैं only सहारा. Now that we have finally cleaned our desk, it's time to organize it. So let's organize it. These are the two paintings that I bought in 2024 from Home Center, I guess. I bought them back in March, I guess, or I'm opening them in December. This is like a pen stand kind of thing. I got it as a gift. Someone got this for me from Jaipur. I also got this photo frame from Nastasia. And also this cute little plant holder kind of thing. I am going to use it to store some of my dry flowers. सर में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. हाँ कितना टाइम हो रहा है? टाइम 6 बज चुके हैं. 6 से ज़्यादा ही हो गया है. करना तो पड़ेगा भाई. मैं सोच रही हूँ अब ये सारा सामान जो है मैं इसे कैसे कैटेगराइज करूँ, मतलब कि किस तरीके से इसे कैटेगराइज करूँ. I actually don't have anything to serve the purpose of a jewelry box right now, so I'm going to use this to put in all my jewelry. I love collecting jewelry, I am a gold girly through and through. Do let me know in the comment section, are you a gold girly or a silver girly? I have kept all my body care products in this box kind of thing, and now we are back at our bookshelf. ये एक प्लांट रखा है मैंने यहाँ पर जिसकी हालत वैसे तो एकदम इस तरह ही है, बट now we are going to organize our makeup and skincare. I also got this table made this year only cause I wanted to organize my whole makeup and skincare, but ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. Like as you can see कितनी बुरी हालत है इस टेबल की भी. This only serves the purpose of my bedside table. मैं इसमें कुछ भी डाल देती हूँ. My meds, my makeup, my skincare, my candles, my chargers, wires and all. But we are going to fix this situation right now. I also bought this perfume organizer. Like it's not a perfume organizer, it's just a tray, but I am going to use it as a perfume organizer. So I bought it in October, I guess, to organize all my perfumes. I'm a huge perfume hoarder and I love to collect perfumes, so I'm going to keep all my perfumes in here. और जैसे कि आप सब देख सकते हैं कि सुबह हो गई है, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव अप नाउ. आई एम गोइंग टू गिव माई बेस्ट कॉज साफ़ होने ही वाला है. वैसे तो नहीं होने वाला है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव अप. आई एम गोइंग टू क्लीन माई रूम और अच्छे से आई एम गोइंग टू क्लीन इट. यार भाई तुम मेकअप के बैग्स देखो. लाइक कैन यू सी कितने ज़्यादा नायका के बैग्स हैं मेरे पास. आई मीन इतना मेकअप. व्हेन डिड आई बाय इतना सारा मेकअप? आई डोंट रिमेंबर एनीथिंग. ट्रस्ट मी, आई डोंट रिमेंबर एनीथिंग. मुझे याद ही नहीं है कि मैंने इतना मेकअप खरीदा कब है. I hope you all take this video as a sign to not be like Smriti. Be a better person than me. Please don't be like me. I am using this video and I'm using this platform to de-influence you into buying so many things. Please don't be like me. Be a better person. ऑल्सो देखो, मैं चाहती तो मैं पूरा कमरा अगले दिन साफ़ करके तो मैं दिखा सकती थी कि मैंने एक ही दिन में कर लिया, बट दैट इज़ नॉट द ट्रूथ ना. मैंने जितना साफ़ करा है मैं उतना ही दिखाऊंगी. सुबह हो चुकी है. आई थिंक इट्स 8:30 हो चुके होंगे. एंड नाउ आई थिंक इट्स टाइम टू शो यू गाइज द रिजल्ट्स, लाइक व्हाट वी डिड द होल नाइट. इट्स फाइनली टाइम. Guys, we did it. I cannot believe I'm saying it, but we did it. We started at around 5 or 4:30 and it's 8 a.m. now, but we did it. I am so happy. I'm so happy. I think I might even cry a bit. I mean, just have a look at this. So I did this little setup right over here. Here I have some of my perfumes, my jewelry, my basic skincare, and here is a little Christmas situation going on. Here I've kept all the skincare जो मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, and there is my body care essentials. यहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ें हैं, ये चीज़ें मुझे अब इधर उधर करनी है. ये मैं अभी ठीक नहीं कर रही हूँ क्योंकि I need to change my bed sheet. These are some things that I need to keep in my sister's room. So this is going to stay like this for a while cause she is sleeping right now and she'll kill me if I wake her up. Cause it's only 8 and I know she's not going to wake up till 10. And here are some other things that I need to go and put in my sister's room. Other than that, it's almost finished. I just need to clean this mess up. बस मुझे झाड़ू लगाना है और इधर थोड़ा थोड़ा झाड़ू लगाना है. बाकी ये सारा सामान है जो सारा वेस्टेज है. I mean, I'm not proud of myself, but ये सब फेंकने वाला ही सामान है. And that's it. I know it was a lot of work, but honestly, my room now feels like a space I actually want to live in. And like, it's a bit messy right now. Well, it's cause it was my birthday, but yeah, other than that, I think my room actually look really pretty now. Here's to 2025, a fresh start, good vibes, and yeah, always remember one little step at a time.